Horses out, we have Perlin, best to begin, moving up on the outside, Forever Young, Maharlika, Ninjutsu, down on the inside, Trojan Knight, then followed by Diamond Luster, Hakuna Matata, Citrus Admiral, and trailing the group is Tugos Favorite. We have Perlin, the leader, by about 2 lengths. Diamond Luster is on the outside, second, Forever Young in third, Maharlika, then followed by Trojan Knight, Hakuna Matata, now moving up to take 6, Ninjutsu 7, Citrus Admiral, and a long way back to Tugos Favorite. Down the back stretch, they trouble. We have Perlin, Diamond Luster, fighting it out for the lead. Forever Young in third, Maharlika, Trojan Knight. Moving up on the outside, 6 is Hakuna Matata, Ninjutsu 7, then followed over by Citrus Admiral and Tugos Favorite. And it's still Perlin by about half a length. And on the outside is Diamond Luster, Forever Young, Trojan Knight, Hakuna Matata, now trying to get closer in third. And it's still Perlin by a length, Diamond Luster, Hakuna Matata is on the inside. The last day come down to the last 150. Perlin by only a length getting up. Hakuna Matata moves up to take the lead. It's now Hakuna Matata, now strides away by about 3 lengths. And in second, Perlin, Trojan Knight, and nearing the finish line, and it's still Hakuna Matata. Perlin, Trojan Knight, then comes Diamond Luster, Forever Young, Ninjutsu, Tugos Favorite, Citrus Admiral, Maharlika.
46189.
Unofficial.